There's not many companies who can create a premium looking case while still keeping performance as an essential. Brands often add more glass for visuals or gimmicky chambers made of cheap looking materials, yet Haven keeps it premium with no compromise. We saw this with the HS420 and now with the BF360. This is a case where aesthetics meets performance, and it's done right. Visually, it is a stunner from any angle. Performance wise, it is designed with optimal venting in mind with large cutouts. Dual 180mm fans force cool air into all those vital areas of the build with a built-in ramp to guide that air straight into the GPU. That gave me an idea. This case is perfect for an air-cooled GPU and a liquid-cooled CPU, but we are going to be putting an icy twist on it. AMD's Radeon RX 9070 XT is the top of the line for the AMD lineup. So pairing that with the Ryzen 9 9950X should make for one powerful all-AMD gaming PC. Even the rear of the case keeps aesthetics in mind. Loads of Velcro straps for cables with guides, a built-in fan controller, and mounting for both hard drives and SSDs. Even though this is the perfect blend of aesthetics and performance. Let's spice it up a bit with some icy customization of our own. Let's get building.
Tell Microsoft to bugger off and get yourself Windows 11 CD keys for 1/10 of the price. Whokeys have a big sale on, and you can use my code IFR25 to get 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code and paste it here to activate. You can even grab Office for your PC for dirt cheap. Don't pay a reoccurring subscription. Use code IFR25 for 25% off. Links are in the description. All Whokeys software products are on sale right now. GPU time, I had a really long think about this. So where we're going with the 9070 XT, this card right here, the Spectral White from Power Color. However, I was thinking to myself, hang on, the 7900 XTX is a more powerful gaming GPU than the 9070 XT if you're just looking for raw performance. And I just happen to have a spectral white version. So I'm thinking about switching these graphics cards out. They look identical, they look like twins. However, we should get more raw performance with this GPU. Let's chuck this one in. Avatar Frontiers of Pandora 4K Ultra settings, we are seeing around 62 degrees on the CPU and we are achieving around 68 FPS. Well, we're getting around 60 FPS in close quarter combat, but in this open world scenario, we're seeing around that 68 to 70 FPS. And best of all, we're not seeing any stuttering or any big frame drops, so we're getting a smoother gameplay experience. Doom of the Dark Ages 4K, Ultra settings, 62 FPS, 64 degrees on the CPU. Hey, not bad. Well, the BF360 certainly wasn't a disappointment, especially with our icy twist. I will say I was expecting a little more performance out of the 7900 XTX, so perhaps we can do an NVIDIA version next time. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys loved about this build. Consider subscribing and check out this video where we built a special PC that I think you guys will love. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.